po ay hindi nila ako mapatay bago ko mailabas ang lahat.
That was the warning from former Congressman Zaldico as he dropped a series of bombshell allegations linked to the multi-billion peso flood control scandal last year. Co accused President Bongbong Marcos and former Speaker Martin Romualdez of orchestrating 100 billion peso in budget insertions for the 2025 national budget. Co claimed the directive came during the bicameral conference, alleging that Budget Secretary Amina Pangandaman relayed instruction from the President, which later confirmed by Adrian Bersamin.
Tinawagan ko po si dating Speaker Martin Romualdez at nireport ko ang instructions ng Presidente to insert the 100 billion projects. At sinabi niya sa akin, what the President wants, he gets.
He insisted he was being made a scapegoat and even claimed he was told to leave the country. Malacanang and others accused have denied all allegations. Ko left for the United States last year, supposedly for medical treatment, but never returned. He later resigned from his post as congressman and was declared a fugitive from justice. Now, after months of hiding and a series of explosive revelations, Ko has finally been arrested. President Marcos confirmed that Ko was apprehended in Prague, Czech Republic, after attempting to enter the country without proper documentation. He is now detained under the custody of Czech authorities. The Philippine government is currently coordinating with the Czech government for his possible return to the country. The Philippine National Police says it is working with international law enforcement to verify details of arrest. PNP Chief Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. added, the PNP is ready to assist and ensure that all legal processes are followed, including his possible repatriation. Ko faces graft and malversation charges in connection with a 289 million peso flood control project in Nawahan, Oriental Mindoro. A warrant of arrest had earlier been issued and the Sandigan Bayan had cancelled his passport. Ko has denied the charges.